my friends, David Kessler here, and welcome back to the studio. If you're a first timer here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. This is a continuing series of videos based on me painting some 6x6 canvases for a fundraiser for the Lafayette Art Association in Lafayette, Louisiana. Great organization, great people. I've taught there numerous times. Made a lot of lifelong friends there. So if you have an opportunity, stop by their website, give them a shout, help support them. You know, they're having the 6x6 fundraiser, it's called. It happens in November 2024. I'm going ahead and doing the paintings now so I can ship them down there. I've helped them with numerous other fundraisers over the years. Great organization. If you want to help them out, please stop by there. If you can, stop by the website. Check them out on Facebook. And if you can, contribute, or if you want to, check out all the paintings that they're going to have, these 6x6s in November, it'd be awesome for you to help support them. Now, in the previous video, we painted the background colors. We're doing complementary colors, doing the warm color, accent colors underneath, with the darker complementary colors over the top. Now, what I found out by doing these 6x6s is that I hope to never do them again, because for me, I'm used to painting big canvases, 3 feet square and up, and these little guys are very, very challenging. I've never painted on anything smaller than a 12x12, so for me, you have to use smaller brushes, which I'm not used to. I can't move from the shoulder like I'm used to. There's not much real estate to work with, so these are very difficult paintings to do. But anyway, thank you for being here. If you have an opportunity to like and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps out. Got some great courses and stuff that are linked down in the description. Abstract painting courses, all about color, that kind of stuff. If you want to help support the channel, I always appreciate that, and that keeps things moving along for us. If you have any questions or comments, please put those in the comments section, and that's going to be it. Let's go. All right, let's start with our violet overpainting. Now this is more or less dry underneath, probably dry enough for our work here. Now, the paint that I have out here, this is one of my absolute favorite painting colors on earth. And keep in mind, these are all golden heavy body acrylic paints. This is dioxazine purple, one of the absolute most amazing colors. I've got light violet here, and I'm back with some of my medium magenta. And I put some of the Benz yellow back out, and I've got some Naples yellow out, and of course my titanium white. Now the great thing about this dioxazine purple is that it dries just like this, dark and rich and glossy and amazing. So to use that for the dark values is what I love to do. Anytime I'm using violet and yellow together is to use that. So let's see. And I've got these back out because I'm probably going to need to punch up some of these color areas again. Now I've got a link in the description for these Raphael brushes if you would like to give those a shot and try those out. I may be using some smaller brushes for some of this to be able to work on such a small 6x6 size here. All right. Well, I think I'm going to just start with the dark first. I like to do that in my paintings anyway. And I'm using, well, I'll put a little bit of this in here, but I'm just going to see what happens. Let's see. Boy, that is good stuff. Wow. Good stuff. Pull some of that up. Maybe we're gonna do a landscape here. What do you think about that? So I was glad I kept a little bit of yellow in and around here. Got the sort of horizon line here. Got another little bit of yellow. And then maybe, it works its way up a little bit more. A little bit on the edge. Here we go. That's kind of what I was looking for. So the yellow starts coming through on the edges a little bit. Fades out here, heavier here, sort of unbalanced, heavier and lighter. Okay, all right, I like it. So there you go, painting number 1.